Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook wontons from frozen. For a simple preparation, boil them gently. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, then carefully add the frozen wontons, ensuring they do not stick together. Cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they float to the surface and the wrapper appears translucent and tender. A quick boil yields wonderfully soft and chewy wontons, perfect for soups or as a light snack. To achieve beautifully crispy wontons, pan frying is an excellent choice. Heat 1 tablespoon of neutral oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the frozen wontons in a single layer, then add about 1/4 cup of water and immediately cover the pan. Steam them for 3 to 5 minutes until the water evaporates, then uncover and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes until the bottoms are golden brown and wonderfully crisp. For a truly tender texture, steaming your frozen wontons is an ideal method. Prepare your steamer by lining the basket with parchment paper to prevent sticking, or by lightly oiling it. Bring 1 inch of water to a boil in the pot below. Place the frozen wontons in the steamer, leaving a little space between each one. Cover and steam for approximately 5 to 8 minutes until they are hot throughout and the wrappers are soft and pliable, ready to enjoy. If you crave maximum crunch, deep frying your wontons delivers an unbeatable crispy texture. Heat about 2 inches of neutral oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower a few frozen wontons into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 2 to 4 minutes, turning occasionally, until they reach a deep golden brown color and are perfectly crispy on all sides. Remove them with a slotted spoon to drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.